Hello! Welcome to another episode of the Lumen Network Show. Today I'm speaking with Jasmine, the CEO of Collective Health. Welcome, Jasmine.
Thanks, Linda.
As a growing company with an aging phone system, you must be dealing with a multitude of vendors and telephony equipment at various stages of life. What a headache. Tell me about some of the challenges you're facing.
Collective Health has made several recent acquisitions, and I want to get all our locations aligned to help us communicate more effectively. However, in the health industry, when our phones go down, it's literally a matter of life and death. So it's critical that I mitigate downtime. What's my next step, Linda?
First, consider your network strategy. If it is not aligned, then streamlining communications will be tough. I suggest a single provider for your network and voice solutions.
I'm definitely interested in a simplified system. Tell me more.
Single provider strategies decrease complexity and boost reliability and redundancy. And once you're on the same network, you don't necessarily need a one-size-fits-all communication system. For example, your smaller facilities could benefit from hosted VoIP, a flexible, foundational communication service that prioritizes telephony, while massive contact centers may benefit from Lumen's tailored, scalable Lumen Contact Center solutions. Lumen has a feature-rich portfolio to serve individual sites, and will help you find what works for your business.
Interesting, but what do I do with our old equipment?
With such a wide range of options, you don't have to rip and replace your equipment. For example, SIP trunking would allow you to leverage existing PBX technology while enhancing performance and reliability.
Wow, so many options. Is this strategy more reliable than our current system?
Definitely. Lumen offers secure, robust business continuity and disaster recovery capabilities, and threat protection is embedded right into the network.
What would deployment look like?
Great question. To ensure a smooth migration, Lumen provides a white glove deployment experience on one contract, unified SLAs, and flexible invoicing.
Thanks, Linda. I can't wait to discuss this with my team.
Stay tuned for the next episode of the Lumen Network Show.